Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn your photo into a magical tiny fairy scene with Pippit AI. So Pippit AI is an AI-powered design platform that will help you to create any AI content like maybe AI talking photos, avatar video, product showcase, and many more. And in here, we will use this tool to create AI creative content, magical tiny fairy scene. And okay, let's get started. First, just open Pippit AI like this, and then go to Image Studio, and then choose AI Designs. Upload your photo. Like this, and then next just write your prompt. Before I already prepared my prompt like this. And if you want to copy my prompt, just feel free to copy it, and you can just tweak it as you like. And if you want to create your own prompt, just feel free to create your own prompt. And okay, next just choose your AI model, and then choose your ratio, and then next just click submit. And okay, like this. Okay, like this. You can see it in just a few clicks. Pippit AI will generate an amazing fantasy fairy versions of your photo, and I think it's so beautiful and cute like this. And okay, next, if you want to try it yourself, just click the link in the descriptions and pin comment to start creating using this Pippit AI. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.